we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your Score Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications. When just click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on notify about upcoming classes. Sorry, you click here on sound and vibration here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to show notifications, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here show notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking